In this video, I'll guide you through how to convert Google Docs to Microsoft Word on Google Drive. This is a really useful skill if you're working with people who prefer Word, need to upload a .docs file somewhere, or just want a copy of your document that works offline in Microsoft Word. Let's start right from Google Drive, since that's usually where your documents are stored. First, sign into your Google account and open Google Drive in your browser. Once you're in Drive, locate the document you want to convert. You can scroll through your folders or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by typing part of the document name. When you see the file, click on it to open it in Google Docs. You'll know it's open correctly when you see the Google Docs editor with your text and the menu bar along the top. Today, I'll show you how to access the option you need from that menu. Look toward the top left corner of the screen and you'll see the File option in the menu bar. Click on File to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains many options like creating a new document, making a copy, or printing, but for converting to Word, we're interested in the download options. I'm going to walk you through how to find the correct format. In the File menu, move your mouse down until you see the Download option. Hover over or click on Download, and another submenu will appear to the side. This is where Google Docs lets you choose different formats to export your document. You'll see several choices like PDF and plain text, but to get a Microsoft Word version, you'll want the .docx format. I'll show you the easiest way to select that format. In the Download submenu, click on Microsoft Word .docx. As soon as you click that, Google Docs will begin generating a Word version of your file. Depending on your browser settings, the document will either download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you may be asked where you'd like to save it. If you see a prompt, just choose a folder you'll remember, like your desktop or your documents folder, and then confirm the download. In this video, you'll learn how to make sure the file is ready to use. Once the download is complete, open your computer's downloads folder, or wherever you chose to save the file. You should see a file with the same name as your original Google Doc, but with the .docx extension. Double-click it, and it should open in Microsoft Word if you have Word installed on your computer. A quick tip, after opening it in Word, take a moment to scroll through the document and make sure everything looks right. Most formatting, like headings, lists, and images, usually carries over correctly, but if your document is very complex, you may want to double-check spacing, tables, or special fonts. And that's all you need to do. By opening your document in Google Docs, going to File, choosing Download, and then selecting Microsoft Word .docx, you can create a Word version of any Google Doc in just a few clicks.